need to establish a perimeter here.
And then move the tanks forward.
It was supposed to be a quick mission. In and out.
The city watched, silent, waiting.
Cover me, I'm gonna advance!
Not a good idea, we can't see above.
They're gonna kill us all!
They came back.
Because no one gets left behind.
Courage is not the absence of fear, but action in spite of it.
Brotherhood forged, not in peace, but in fire.
Minutes feel like hours when survival hangs by seconds.
Not just a mission,
A memory.
a bond that lasts forever.